Okay, welcome back, AP Computer Science. A lot of you should have received emails from me over the last couple of weeks about getting your work turned in. All work is due. That will all go in the third 9 weeks. That should have been done by now. You can't be falling behind. From now on, from this point on, all work is due the following day. Today we have class Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and there will be assignments after each class, and that's due on Wednesday. There will not be enough time to be turning in 3-4 months later, like some of you like to put off things. For that said, all programs are due today, so if you owe me any work, please upload it to box.com. That goes on the third 9 weeks. From this point on, we start the fourth 9 weeks. As you know, AP Computer Science, or College Board has changed the AP Computer Science. They have dropped off a couple units, and I'm still getting more information on that and about testing. You'll be tested at home most likely, unless things change with what's going on. But right now, it looks like the testing will be done at home. It doesn't look, I think they're taking the multiple choice questions out, so it'll be more like free response questions. So with that said, please try to stay up and keep up with this class, because if you fail to turn in assignments on time, they will become automatically zeros. So again, all makeup work, please turn it in. If you go to the AP College Board into the classroom, I put out a practice 1 test, okay, for unit 1. That should be reviewed for everyone here, and go ahead and complete that by Wednesday. I actually released it last week, so if you held off to this week to do it, then that's your fault. So go ahead and work on that practice 1 test on unit 1. It should be reviewed for everyone here. That is due by Wednesday, and Wednesday I will have another lesson for you, and we're going to start also be doing free response questioning. Have a nice day.